Welcome to The Thread, Tailored Brands Employee Communications app. To install the app on your smartphone, simply go to the Apple App Store or Google Play and search for The Thread. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and tap Login. This will bring up the login screen, where you'll enter your short name at tmw.com and your password. Next, you'll be asked if you'd like to add a passcode or enable Touch ID or Face ID depending on your device. This is optional but adds extra security. The Thread has a social media style news feed that will keep you up to date on the latest company news and activities. Tapping Explore at the bottom of the screen gives you access to even more information. You'll see the app's most popular content at the top, followed by sortable folders and other content. Tap Calendar to browse through company events throughout the year, and even add them directly to your personal calendar. If a communication is time-sensitive, we'll send out broadcast alerts. These can be read by tapping the bell icon, and will also appear on your phone's lock screen. We encourage you to opt in to receive these push notifications when you first download the app. At Tailored Brands, we are investing in technology to make it easy and convenient to bring you company information, news, and stories that make you feel inspired and engaged. Download The Thread today. We hope you enjoy it.